How you doing, man? How
You guys, I'm good, man. I'm excited. Look at all these people. I'm blessed, man. This is my first like legit red carpet, so I'm excited.
Okay, how'd you get ready for it? It's your first red carpet. I mean, you know, what did you do?
I kind of stared in the mirror for a while, like, what should I start doing? I mean, I went through like 3 different wardrobes, changed like 8 shirts, and I'm like, you know what? I'm thinking everybody's just gonna rock a t-shirt. Then I get here, I see everyone dressed up. I'm like, okay, good thing I put this on. So, man, just I've been waiting for this day for about months, and the fact that it's here, the fact that everyone's so excited just to see the cast and the crew, everyone's like family, to actually say, guys, we got a movie out, it's in theaters. It's exciting, and I'm in love with it. I'm happy.
Now tell us about your particular character, kind of what role he plays in the film and how he keeps it moving.
Well, I play the role of Paco. He's like that Latino swagger dude, tough dude. You know, they classify him as a troublemaker, but once the story unfolds, it's just, you know, it changes a lot of people's minds on what we kind of think about as far as the youth. They notice that I'm actually a cool kid. I'm not a troublemaker. When something goes missing, they automatically look to one of 2 people. I just so happen to be one of those people that they look at. And it's just, I think it's a great movie that captures actually what really goes on in high school, what we think about the youth, especially the urban youth. And I think it's a movie that everybody can relate to, you know, grown and young.
Now, it was really important, Mario said, to make it real, and that's something you just said. If you weren't in this film, why would you go out to see it? What about this film is different from every other film that comes out?
I mean, well, one, Mario actually took a gamble on it. He had a choice of making this movie like a PG-13 movie or rated R movie. Now, it is a high school movie, and we want high school kids to go see it. But if we put it rated R, obviously only kids over 18 are going to be able to see it. But Mario told us straight up, he's like, look, guys, I want to actually capture what actually really goes on in high school. And if I make it PG-13, we're not going to do that. We're going to have to take out a bunch of stuff. And I mean, I think what is going to bring a lot of people to come see it is the fact of the matter that they're going to have to sneak into the theaters. They're going to have to lie to some people to get in there. And because it's actually showing what really goes on in high school. It's not, you know, there's no sparkle or glitter covered on top of it. It's actual cussing, actual sex that happens, drugs, but it actually, towards the end of the movie, you'll see that everything is flipped around, and it shows that young people, we do have the power, and you know, we are the future, and you know, we have the responsibility and the wisdom to make our own good choices.
And tell me, you know, after you film a film, you guys get so close. So are you guys cool afterwards? I mean, have you guys been talking? Like, what is it like, you know, everybody that was in the film?
Oh, we talk all the time. Like, look, we've literally been going back and forth for months now, actually getting mad at each other, saying, no, this is the release date. No, this is the release date. So finally that is here. We're like jumping. You'll see all of us like jumping. Most likely you'll be seeing us dancing in the theater when the movie's
loud.
It's going to be super loud. And the fact that we got YG, New Boys, and all these people here, it's just going to be an all-out party. Throughout, we the party.
And then lastly, I know you're a musician yourself, so tell me a little bit about your music background and tell me a little bit about that.
Definitely. Well, I used to be in a group called Menudo. I was with them for about 2.5 years. We were signed to Sony Epic Records. I've been on my own now doing a solo album. I've been releasing a lot of solo music. So I have a couple music videos out, so if you want to check out some more information about me, make sure you go to carlitoofficial.com and you'll see everything you need to there.
Okay, take us out with telling people why they have to see the film, but you got to sing it. You're a singer, man. You got to sing it.
Oh, sing it. Okay. All right. Well, you got to see the movie because it's so good, and I love you. If you see it, please believe it, baby. I was just saying regular words, but
I ain't mad at that.
See it, and I know you'll enjoy it. Definitely.
Thank you so much. We can't wait to see the film.
Man, thank you.